Good morning, students. I am Praveen Thakur here with your Standard 3 Grammar. Students, in my previous class, I had explained you about sentences, nouns, and singular and plural. In this video, we are going to do a quick recap of two more chapters, adjectives. So, what is adjective? An adjective is a word that describes a noun or a pronoun. For example, Jane is a clever girl. So, clever is an adjective and it describes noun Jane. So, words like clever, smart, intelligent, beautiful, ugly, these are all adjectives that describes a noun or a pronoun. Adjectives of quality. An adjective that tells us about the kind of a person, a place or thing we are referring to is called an adjective of quality. They answer the question what kind of. For example, Mukesh Ambani is a wealthy man. What kind of man? Wealthy man. I read an interesting book. What kind of book? Interesting book, dull book, boring book, exciting book. So all these are adjectives that adds more meaning to a noun or a pronoun. Now, Mukesh Ambani is a wealthy man. What kind of man? Wealthy. He is a poor man. So he is a pronoun. Poor is the adjectives that describes the pronoun he. Now, adjective of quantity indicates the amount or estimated amount of the noun or pronoun in the sentence. They answer the question how much. For example, an adjective that tells how much of a thing we are referring to is called an adjective of quantity. Example, Ahmad ate the whole cake. Now we ask the question how much? Whole cake. I drank all the milk in the cup. So all is the adjective of quantity. How much? All. So words like whole, all, some, few, little, small, all these are adjectives of quantity that answer the question how much. Adjective of number. I have 3 students. Now, adjective of number answers the question how many. Adjective of quantity answers the question how much. Adjective of number answers the question how many. I have 3 students. How many? 3. Yes, some examples. I have some books to read. Now, how many books? Some. So, some is an adjective of number. Several apples were rotten. How many? Several. Several means many apples were rotten. Rotten means not good to eat. Grandma arrived on the 5th day of my summer vacation. So, 5th, it is a cardinal number. First, like we say, he came first in the race. She came second in the class. He is sitting on the 3rd bench. So, first, second, fourth, third, these numbers tell us the exact number. So, they are known as adjectives of number. There were 30 students present in the class. How many? 30. So, they answer the question how many and it gives us the exact number. First, second, third, or there were 5 students, 20 balls, 30 marbles, 40 bananas. So, these all give us adjective of number that tell us like second, 4, most, 8th, many, few, some, double, single, double, triple. Single means 1, double means 2, triple means 3, So we say, no, sometimes you say, I want a double omelette. That means you want an omelette of 2 eggs. So we say double. A dozen banana. How many? Dozen. Dozen means 12. So they are all adjectives of number. Now students, possessions. What are possessives? Possessive, possessive pronouns show that something belongs to someone. That means you own that, you have that. Like you say, no, this bag is mine, this bottle is mine, it belongs to me. So that is possession. They are not immediately followed by a noun. Yes, let us see the example. Noun, that is I. Possessive means my. That is when in the sentence we say my. Hi, my name is Tesla. This book belongs to me. It is mine. So mine shows possession. You we use in singular also, plural also. What is your favorite food? You are asking the question out here. So your is asking you the possession, what is your favorite food? He, in possessive we use his. His name is Steve. His, him, both we use for possession. She, her, in singular form we use this possessive. Her CV is here. CV means biodata. It, its we use for places and things. The bird is in its house. Where? Its house. That means this house belongs to this bird. Its we use for places and things. We, our, we use in plural form. I hope our lives will be better. This is our house. Our means more than one person. That is in plural form. They, their. When we are talking about more than one person, their house is perfect. There means more than one person's house. It is used in plural form. That means this house is theirs. Cindy, Cindy's. Now here you can see after Cindy apostrophe S is given. So apostrophe S shows possession. Cindy's phone number is dash. That means this phone number belongs to Cindy. He is in possession of this number, phone number. So we give apostrophe S to show possession. George, George's. So after George you can see apostrophe S. Car is very expensive. That means this car belongs to George. The child, child's, apostrophe S. The child's school is too far from here. Dog, dogs. His dog's name is Papul, Papuli. That means the name of this dog is Papuli. He is in possession of this name. Now students, suppose if out here if I write students. So students, already students is in plural form. So when if a word is already in plural form, to show possession we add apostrophe after the S. The students' books are here. That means more than one student. So apostrophe S we give an apostrophe. One more example. The bird's wings. So after birds we give an apostrophe to show possession. That means these wings belong to those birds. So if already the noun is in plural form, so we just give an apostrophe to show possession. Here you can see his, hers. This is his cycle. This cycle is hers. So hers means this shows possession, that this cycle belongs to this girl. Its. So I said for places and things we use its. That means this bone is its, mine, this is mine. So, mine, when we say this book is mine, this water bottle is mine, that means it is mine, means it shows possession, that it belongs to me, ours. This car belongs to us, it is ours. Theirs, this house is theirs, that means this house belongs to them. Yours, yours we use in singular also, plural also. So, students, these were some examples. Now, here you can see these books are mine, these are my books, that means I am in possession of it. This pair of shoes is hers. So, here you can see, students, this shows that this shoes belongs to her. That house is theirs, they are the owner of the house, that means this house belongs to them, it is in their possession. This gift is yours, that is, this is your gift. In possession we use apostrophe s, yours. He is playing with his toys, that means these toys belongs to him, he is the owner of these toys. This school is ours. So, you know, this is our school, that means this school belongs to you, it is yours because you are reading in that, you are studying in that school. So, that shows possession. So, these were the recap of the two chapters. So, students, go through it very nicely, prepare hard. Thank you, students, and take care.